This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
When all of a sudden I hear this agitating.
Do you have your portion this month, or no?
Chucky.
Damn it, Chucky!
You're a jerk.
Hey! Hey!
Hold on. So obviously he's. Oh!
Are you in trouble? I think you're in trouble.
What are you doing in here?
The door is open. You don't have to do this. It's open.
Stop! Raggy!
Frank, you can't do this.
Don't, hey, found it!
What is that noise you are making right now, sir? Oh, okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where are you going? Yeah, bad idea, dude.
Roscoe! Are you in trouble? I think you're in trouble.
Here come a lot number 29 in, and what are you gonna get for him? I'm 25, middle down, there down 30, and you're down 5, and a bid 30.
Ouch! Ah! Every day. Ow!
See, that's the problem right there. What is that? The turbinator. See, the turbinator hooked up to the motor.
You had to go in there.
Hey. Hey.